Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wealthfront easy tutorial step by step clearly. To budget with Wealthfront, start by opening the app or visiting the Wealthfront website. Sign in to your account using your credentials. If you're new to Wealthfront, create an account by providing necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Look for the Financial Planning tab and click on it. Select budgeting from the options presented. Wealthfront will prompt you to link your bank accounts for accurate tracking. Follow the instructions to securely connect your bank accounts. After linking, Wealthfront will analyze your spending habits. It will categorize your expenses automatically. Take a moment to review these categories for accuracy. You can edit any categories if Wealthfront misclassifies your expenses. Next, navigate to the budget section within the app. Wealthfront will provide suggested budgets based on your spending patterns. Adjust these suggested budgets according to your financial goals. Set specific spending limits for each category. Consider setting aside savings for emergencies and future investments. Once your budget is set, review it regularly for any necessary adjustments. Make it a habit to check your budget weekly or monthly. Wealthfront will send you alerts if you go over budget in any category. Use this feedback to adjust spending habits accordingly. Lastly, remember to update your budget periodically as your financial situation changes. Regularly revisiting your budget will help you stay on track with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.